Well, we're starting today's vlog with me finishing the upload for the struggle of legalizing my wide body GTR in Hawaii. Now, I thought I was just gonna cruise for the rest of the day, but I figured, you know what? Let's do a little bit of vlogging. And because, well, you guys already know, car's dirty. Say hi, Nanook. Say hi. No? Hello? Alright, let's get out of here. So tomorrow we're gonna have a pretty busy day. We're gonna be taking both wide body GTR and 370Z. Don't mind my bed here, guys. I literally just got up and started editing the video for today's drop. But yeah, tomorrow we're actually taking both 370Z Nismo and the wide body GTR out on a cruise. So both of these need a bath. And if we have time today, we're gonna go ahead and start up the Harley as well. It's been a while since we actually start this up, but being that we have both cars in the garage, it's hard to get this out. So hopefully today we'll get 1, 2, and 3 cold starts. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content come out of Hawaii. This is the channel for you. So we're in the 370Z Nismo, wide body GTR is over here, Harley's over there. Harley's gonna get washed first, and then probably the Nismo, and then the GTR wide body, which that one is gonna take a long time, guys. So first cold start, starting now. First on our detail list is gonna be this Harley Breakout. Now, this is a Softail, it's a 103, sounds amazing, stage 2 with the breather and the fuel pack and the Vance & Hines exhaust. But this bike is not mine, this is my dad's bike. I just take care of it because my dad lives in San Fran. So for those of you guys that know my story about Harleys and whatnot and how much I just absolutely love Harley Davidsons as well, you guys know that I've actually flipped 3 Harleys in order to get the GTR. If it wasn't for me finding Harleys to kind of fix, flip, and build up a little bit, and then flipping them to get the GTR, none of this would have happened, guys. So that's why Harleys always have a special place in my heart. They sound amazing. I want to get on a Harley again, but I don't have the funds to get another Harley. But I don't even drive this thing around. It literally just sits here because it's not mine and I don't want to be liable for it. So yeah, detailing, and then we're gonna get a nice cold start. And she's all nice and washed, a lot better now, not as dusty. I gotta put the cover back on. But look at this red, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking beautiful. But since you guys waited, let's get a nice, good old cold start. Is everything prime? Oh, there we go. And cold start, make sure it's in neutral, and in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Can you guys hear me? Because I can't hear myself. Can you guys hear me? Oh my goodness. God. So freaking nuts, bro. Just listen to this. Listen to this. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, one more time. All right, one more time. Woo! That's why I love Harleys, bro. I will always love Harleys, man. Just the sound of it, it's so freaking obnoxiously beautiful. And the Harley is nice and tucked in. She's still hot, so I can't cover it. And we got both Nissan 370Z and wide body GTR sitting outside. Now, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut detailing a little bit short today. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the 370Z. I'm gonna make it in record time, guys. We're gonna do it in 10-15 minutes, super fast. And what makes it a lot easier is that, also shout out to our friend Dustin, who was the previous owner of this car, who also has a detailing business, the Shine Artist. I'll put the link somewhere over here. But this car is ceramic coated, so this thing's gonna be super easy to clean. But this right here, I'm probably gonna wait till tonight after work, and then we're gonna detail it. I know I can do it in the morning, but I've washed this car so many times at night, I really don't care. But we're gonna get this one done. And before we go ahead and wash the Z, I did post on my Instagram like a little ask me a question, and I told you guys that I'm gonna answer it on today's video. So here's a few of them, and I'm just gonna blast right through them, and then we're gonna wash the Z. But first one is, any other plans for the R35? Yes, I do have other stuff that I want to do. Eventually, the ultimate goal is to mold the wide body and have it pushing at least 1,000+ horsepower, but that's not in the budget right now. Other thing too that I want to do is I want to go ahead and sell the big wing and the big trunk, or not the big trunk, the big wing and the carbon trunk. They're actually both carbon fiber. I do want to switch to the super sick duck build that I'm thinking about getting, and I think that's what's gonna make the car flow a lot more. But for right now, the car is gonna be sitting as is. We're gonna have so much fun with it. But yeah, mods to come for the wide body GTR isn't coming really soon, but I do have some in mind, but it's only small ones, not the big build yet. Someone also asked, can I have a ride? You know, I always thought of doing like a video of like what is it called, like subscriber gets a free ride with me in a wide body GTR kind of a thing. If you guys want to see that video, let me know in the comments. And the next question, someone asked me, wildest goal I have. That's a hard one, and I don't know if you're talking in the context of like with cars and stuff, so I guess I'll just speak on like wildest goal in the context of automotive. The biggest goal I want to do is like have enough capital to like open up a spot to where like every car enthusiast here on Hawaii, or people that's vacationing here to Hawaii, like have a place where they can come, have fun, you know, have meets, also have a place like a food establishment at the same time. Maybe if one day we can somehow get a track, because state of Hawaii is taking forever to do it, but just to have like a hub place to where like oh damn, that's a big ass wasp, dude. There's a wasp in my freaking garage. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but damn. Okay, I'm gonna run. But yeah, on the topic of wildest goal, and this wasp is killing me right now. Wildest goal is to have a place to have all car enthusiasts of Hawaii to go and just have a meet, have some fun, host events, host shows, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, that's one of my goals. And our last question comes from our homie Josh. He says, when are we hosting the Nissan Infinity meet on Oahu? That's one thing that me and Josh has all been talking about, was try to get like the Nissan Infinity, even a Datsun guys all together, because I feel like just me and him alone, we know a good amount of guys that would probably want to come out and like just to show off their Nissans, and Hawaii's Nissan scene is pretty good. So maybe in the future, if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments as well. But with that being said, if you guys haven't done so, either smash the like button for today's video, subscribe, and then now let's get this done and clean the Z. And somewhere around here, I have no idea where, but the wasp is still flying, so let's get out of the garage. So the time now is 4:05. Let's see if we can get this thing washed in 10-15 minutes. Time now is 4:15, guys. Probably might want to add another 5 minutes or so just to wipe this whole thing down. Now I know I should have brushed the wheels. Don't come at me, all you detailers. I know I did it wrong. I just said I'm just gonna wash it real quick and get to work. So let's get all of that done, and then probably tonight we're gonna go ahead and watch this. But just to see it in the daylight, guys, like this GTR is so freaking dirty, guys. It's really bad. There's like a whole coat of just dirt all over. And look at that, all that grime along the headlight. Oh my goodness, guys. Wait, we gotta do it. We gotta do it again. We gotta do it again. One more time. And bam! Look at how dirty that car is. Use the wet ground, water your hand, and then we gotta wipe this down because I need to go to work. I got called into work today. I was supposed to start at 6 o'clock, guys. That's why I wanted to go ahead and do a small little detail wash video, but they called me in early, so it's 4. I need to get this done. Actually, if I start at 5 instead of 6, do I have, no, never mind. I'm not gonna, I was thinking, should I just blast this one out? But we got fresh paint, so save it for tonight. All right, I know I have to cut this video a little bit short, but it's already Monday, and as soon as I get this portion of the video inputted, then I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. But for those of you guys that's been following along, watching the vlogs, especially throughout the month of December, you guys know that I've been trying to do multiple uploads. Lately, I've been doing 3, which is really good for every week. So again, I thank you guys so much, and it really means a lot. But I just wanted to show you guys, and it's something really, you know, it really means a lot to me. But we're almost at the 4,000 mark, or the 4,000 watch hour mark. So we have about 7 more hours to go, guys. And for all of you guys that's, you know, tuned in to the channel, I've been trying to push the channel also on my YouTube and my TikTok. But, you know, it's just something small for me. And I don't know where this is going to take me, but gosh, this guy's dog hair, man, I swear. But anyways, it really means a lot, and I've already invested so much time into this. I'm just gonna try and just keep making more automotive content for you guys and see where all of this is gonna turn out, because quite frankly, I don't know. And this is another thing where I'm just gonna keep the faith, and you know, I just wanna make more automotive content for you guys. So again, I just wanna say thank you. It really means a lot. And with that being said, see you guys on the next vlog, which is probably gonna drop tomorrow, if not at latest Wednesday. So yeah. See you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. Stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.